na 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 na. A is for apple, so shiny and red. B is for bed, where you lay your head. C is for cat, with a soft purring sound. D is for dog, always running around. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish, swimming all day. G is for guitar, strumming a tune. H is for hat, under the moon. I is for igloo, made out of snow. J is for jar, where cookies go. K is for kite, flying up high. L is for lion, king of the jungle. M is for monkey, swinging in trees. N is for nest, with baby birds. O is for octopus, under the sea. P is for parrot, talking wiggly. Na 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 na. Q is for queen, with a royal crown. R is for rainbow, colors all around. S is for star, twinkling bright. T is for train, chugging through the night. U is for umbrella, for rainy days. V is for violin, that music plays. V is for whale, big in the sea. X is for xylophone, played happily. Y is for yo-yo, going up and down. Z is for zebra, with stripes all around. Now we've sung our ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? A is for apple, juicy and sweet. B is for ball, bounce to the beat. C is for cat, who purrs all day. D is for dog, who loves to play. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish, that swims away. G is for goat, that climbs so high. H is for hat, right up to the sky.
I is for ice cream, cold and nice. J is for jump, as high as the kite. K is for kite, that flies so free. L is for lion, fierce as can be. M is for moon, that shines so bright. N is for nest, birds snuggle at night. O is for owl, who hoots with glee. P is for pizza, yummy for me. Q is for queen with a royal crown. R is for rainbow, colors all around. S is for sun, so warm and bright. T is for train, choo-choo, what a sight. U is for umbrella, up when it's wet. V is for violin, we won't forget. W is for whale, swimming in the sea. X is for xylophone, play it with glee.
Z is for yacht, sailing away. Z is for zebra, stripes all day. Now we've sung the ABC. Thanks for singing along with me. We've sung our ABCs. Thanks for joining in with me. Now you know them, 1, 2, 3. Sing again so happily.
The dog says woof, woof, woof. The cat says meow.
Meow, meow.
Meow, meow. The mouse says squeak, squeak, squeak. Let's all sing and play. Can you roar like a lion? Roar. Can you quack like a duck? Quack. Can you hiss like a snake? Let's make some sounds today. The cow says moo, moo, moo. The sheep says ba, ba, ba. Ba, ba. The horse says neigh, neigh, neigh. Let's all sing and play. Can you roar like a lion? Roar. Can you quack like a duck? Quack. Can you hiss like a snake? Let's make some sounds today. The parrot says squawk, squawk, squawk. The pig says oink, oink, oink. The fox says ring, ding, ding. Let's all sing and